Des. Your laptop say Wi-Fi connected, but there's still no internet. This is super frustrating, but don't worry, I'll show you 5 quick ways to fix it in under 2 minutes. First, try a network reset. Click Start, then Settings, and go to Network and Internet. Find Advanced Network Settings and click Network Reset. Just remember to restart your computer afterwards. Still, no luck. Let's try restarting your router. Unplug it from the power. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once it's back on, try connecting again. Third, let's quickly disable and re-enable your Wi-Fi. Right-click the Wi-Fi icon, go to Network and Internet Settings, and simply toggle the Wi-Fi, switch off, and then back on. If that didn't work, you might need to update your network driver. Right-click the Start button, select Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and update your Wi-Fi driver from there. Lastly, let Windows do the work. Go to Settings, System, then Troubleshoot. Choose Other Troubleshooters and run the one for Internet connections. Windows will diagnose and attempt to fix the problem for you. That helps. For more simple tech solutions, make sure to subscribe to Simple Tech Fix. Thanks for watching.